Yeah, g'day, welcome back. Out at Kahutarawa Reserve again, having an overnight camp on the longest day of the year, and also testing out some camping equipment. Now, a while back I was looking for camping equipment and I encountered an advertisement for a peg mallet. Didn't know there was such a thing. I figured if you wanted to bang your pegs then you just went and bought any old mallet. And however, I looked at it and I've hidden the company concerned, and you'll see why. And now what they're asking for this thing is, as you can see, 16 New Zealand dollars. And you can see that all they've done is taken a cheap wooden handled rubber mallet, which you can, by the way, buy from Mitre 10 for $5.98, and they've screwed about 60-70 cents worth of hook into it. Now I thought it was quite cheeky to basically get a cheap mallet and put a hook on the end of it and charge 16 bucks for it. And then I went and saw other peg mallets, like this one from Coughlin's, which is $17.99 New Zealand dollars. It's amazing. You stick your name on it and it becomes more valuable. But that's nothing compared to this one from Coleman. Okay, admittedly they've actually gone to the added expense of stamping their name on the handle, and they can charge nearly $30, mind you. This is Amazon, so half of that's probably going to the Lex Luthor wannabe motherfucker who runs Amazon. But you know, you've got to wonder who Coughlin's and Coleman think they are, that they can make a mediocre product and then inflate the price just by sticking their name on it. I mean, do they think they're Levi Strauss and Company or Calvin Klein or Apple? So I decided I'd see if I could make my own, being such a skilled and difficult job and commanding of large amounts of money. And since I couldn't get down to Mitre 10 and pick up a $6 number 8 hammer, I went down to Bunnings and picked up this Craft-Rite rubber mallet and a pack of 4 cup hooks. This cost me $7.98 and the cup hooks cost $3 for the pack of 4, so you work it out. And of course, to be fair, it took me an entire minute to drill a small hole in here and put that in, and at my dream wages that would be a dollar's worth at $60 an hour. And since this is like plastic and with a grippy handle, I think well, we could sell these for, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks or 100 on Amazon. Anyway, just a bit of fun, a bit of a shit post. Have a fantastic festive season, everybody.